In this video of today, our focus is on how to reach YouTube monetization requirements faster and get your channel monetized with YouTube ads. All right. Why we are focusing on YouTube ads is because that is where most small YouTube channels earn most of their money from. I know we have super thanks display of products, but how often do people make use of such channel? Is very rare. So that's why we are focusing on YouTube ads, which requires you to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in the last 365 days. Okay, this watch time hours should come from your long form videos. All right. The first point here is creating what people want to watch. Thousands of people want to watch. It's not just what people want to watch. It's not just what one person or two persons want to watch, but what thousands of people want to watch. Take, for example, this title YouTube monetization. Thousands of small channels want to watch it, and that's why I'm creating it. So, when you are trying to create a title, a YouTube video, please create something large numbers of people want to watch. People want to watch how to use Microsoft Word. They want to watch how to use Microsoft Excel. They want to know how to complete some task in Microsoft 365. And that is why you see most of those videos in my channel. So create what they want to watch, a lot of people. Before I get to point number two, I want us to look into what it means to monetize a channel faster. Yes, it can mean different things for different people. But what I mean is this, it's not getting your channel monetized in 2 weeks. It's not getting your channel monetized in 1 month. Neither is it getting your channel monetized in 3 months. Yes, because if you get your channel monetized in 2 weeks, what happened? How much are you going to earn from that channel? That's one thing some people don't know. It's not about quick, quick, very fast. Then what happens after that? How much are you going to be earning in a month? With your channel that is just 1 month old or two weeks old getting monetized. So what I mean is this: instead of your channel taking at least 2 years to get monetized, it can get monetized in a year and 8 months, or it can get monetized in a year and 5 months, or it can get monetized in a year. That's what I mean by that. All right. So let's get to point number two. The second point is paying attention to your title and description. Anytime you are creating a video, please structure your title in a way that people search for it, are looking for something that is contained in that title, the words, the keywords. So structure it that way so that it will display in search results and also get suggested. All right, you don't just create your title anyhow. Please structure it well. Ensure that the keywords people are searching for are integrated in it. Then, in description is a very important key many people don't know. I've seen one or two channels that don't have description in their video, and that has made that channel to stay on the platform for more than 2 years without getting monetized. So add description so that YouTube can still pick some things, some words you have in that description when people search for a related thing like that. Okay. So please, title and description. Then the point number three is your thumbnail. How good is your thumbnail? Is your thumbnail catchy? Can it make people to click on your video? Please don't play with that. That's a good asset, all right? So your thumbnail should look good. It's either it sparks curiosity or it passes a straight message to the people on what the title is all about. For example, this one here sparks curiosity and this one passes a clear message of what the video is all about. So it should be within these two, all right? Another point is chapter your video. If you are creating video, please ensure that it is chaptered. That's one thing some beginners don't know. When you chapter a video, Google search engine can pick some chapters in it and show to people when they search for anything that is contained in that. You start by chaptering from 0.0001.02 depending on where you enter another chapter in that your video. If for example I want to chapter this video, What I need to do is the first one is in the description, I will start with introduction, which is 0.00. Then I will know where I mentioned the first key point, which is all about creating what people want to search. It is another chapter in the video. I will know the timing. I'll be following the timing. All right. And so on. So on my screen now, you can see a video I chaptered one of my videos. You see how it is, how it is structured. So please chapter your video so that when people are searching for a particular thing that is contained in that video chapter through Google or any other search engine, it will be shown to them. And from there, you get views, building your watch hours, and also building your subscribers. Utilize your comment section very effectively. Yes, pin similar videos to the one a viewer is watching in the comment section. If, for example, I have a video on how to transfer Word file from a computer to an iPhone, all right, it's possible that I have some videos that are related to that. Maybe how to send Excel file from iPhone to computer, or how to send videos from computer to iPhone. So, because these videos are already existing on my channel, I will go in the comment section and tell them watch related video like this to learn how to do this or do that. After I post the comment, I will pin it so that they can see it. Any comment you pin, your viewers see it quickly and they can read through and click on the links. That's drive traffic to another video and they learn more from there. Get content ideas from already performing videos of yours. Yes, you may have a video on your channel. Just for example, I have a video that hits 1000 views in the last within the 3 weeks of being published. Okay, so when I click on that video and get to reach, I see keywords that is driving the traffic to that video. I can create a different video based on that keyword. All right, so get content idea from already performing videos. Another way you can do that is through the inspiration tab of your studio. So when you click on inspiration, you see YouTube will give you some video ideas based on what you are creating on your channel, based on the niche of your channel or the kind of content you are creating on your channel. So use the inspiration tab. Another one is installing the VidIQ plugin on your browser. It gives you idea of some similar videos that are doing well within the shortest time of being published. So from there you can pick such title and then create your own version of it. So vidIQ plugin can help you, all right? So please install vidIQ extension, all right? It will help you to get ideas of some videos that are doing well, okay? And then you create your own story from such video titles, okay? Another key point is getting educated on what works on YouTube. Yes, there are so many channels out there educating you, including my own channel. Just as I'm talking to you, I'm educating you on how you can get monetized on YouTube. Already, there are similar channel, even vidIQ channel can still help you. I get in it. So get the information you need. If you want to succeed in anything, you need to make extra research. So make research over time. You know what is really working at that point in time. You integrate it, and then your channel will keep on growing. You keep on getting subscribers. You keep on getting watch time. Okay. Then another thing is this. Please make your video longer. Don't end up creating videos of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, even a minute. It wouldn't take you far. It won't take you far. Honestly, I'm talking to you from experience. So ensure that you have videos of 8 minutes and above so that it will help you to build your watch time hours. Okay? So don't just create short videos, because if those videos don't go viral, you will struggle to get the watch hour you need to get your channel monetized faster. And another thing of about creating videos that are more than 8 minutes long or 8 minutes and above is because when you get monetized, it allows you to place mid-roll ads, to place ads in the middle. Instead of having just two ads play in your video at the beginning and the end, you have at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end. Okay, and that means more money for you. Okay. Know when to test another video category. Yes, we preach that you should focus on a niche, but sometimes you may need to bring in something that is close to that your niche based on the fact that this one I'm creating is not getting much view. Let me just try something I'm experienced in. All right, that might end up getting you massive views and engagement. Okay, let me make it practical to you. When I started here, I started talking about this is the tech channel. I talk about how to use computers, how to use iPhone, how to use Android devices, and how to use different software. That's where I started from. Are you getting it? So I'm getting views, but the engagement at the beginning were not much. Are you getting it? Until I said, okay, I have been a self-publisher for more than 10 years now. Yes, I started with what did they call that? I started with CreateSpace, yes. That's later they converted it to into Amazon KDP. They integrate everything there. So I started with Amazon KDP and CreateSpace, which publishes the format as an undergraduate. So at the point I asked myself, this is still tech, so I can bring it in. And lo and behold, when I brought it in, more people started watching my video. In fact, my first video to hit 1,000 views in this channel within 3 weeks of being published is on self-publishing. So please no one to bring in some things that is not majorly, that is not strictly on that niche, but is related. All right. There's this guy, Fisayo. He's a tech guy, but he does finance too. Are you getting it? So if you know what drives you the traffic, please bring it in, but let it not be too off from your channel. So that may make you to get massive views and build your watch time hours and your subscribers as well. Another thing is bring in your real life expertise on YouTube. If you are good in woodworking, teach people in woodworking. People believe you more because you know that you're experiencing that. And that is why you see some of the contests now that are going kind of viral on the platform currently, why people that are over 40 years old should start a YouTube channel. Most of the points under that kind of video title is based on experience. Okay, so if you're experiencing a particular thing, that is your expertise. As someone that is experienced in self-publishing for over 10 years now, I think I published my first book in 2012 as a student. All right. So on Amazon KDP, yeah, that was the first platform I used and published my ebook. Then I used CreateSpace to publish the paper format. And since then, I've been on the system. All right. So bring in your expertise that can create trust in your viewers, and they will watch more of your videos and then subscribe. All right. Another point, very important, is that you need to install VidIQ application on your phone. This is not extension now, it is app. Install VidIQ application on your iPhone or your Android, depending on the type of phone you're using, and go through their lesson. Their lesson is, in fact, their lessons are so educating that if you can start from beginning and end it, you will become a pro on YouTube. Honestly speaking, because they will teach you stage by stage, from this stage to another stage, from another stage to the next stage, until you complete that lesson, those lessons. Once you complete them at the end, you must have gained a lot of information on how the platform work and you see yourself growing. All right. The lessons sometimes may be difficult to follow, but please create time. All right. It's for your own good. And lastly, go live on your YouTube channel. Depending on, though it depends on the kind of channel you create, you may need to go live. Okay. At the first time, you may not have much people around, but you may tell your friends that you know that have a YouTube channel or your relation, your brother or your sister, I'm going live, come over, please. So by the time they see one or two persons, others may come and join. But even if others do not join, they can watch that video later. All right. So you can go live to grow your channel. So with these few points of mine, I believe that if you can integrate them, you will build your watch hours and you build your subscribers and you get your YouTube channel monetized faster. If it's supposed to get, if it's supposed to take 2 years, you may end up getting monetized in a year and 8 months, just like mine. But there are things I have learned so far, and those are the things I've taught you to improve because I didn't know them in the past. Example, creating videos that are no longer. I started with 2 minutes, 3 minutes videos, and that made me to take a lot of time to reach monetization. But a month and 8 months, a year and 8 months is not bad actually. All right. So if you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing because here we teach technology, we teach YouTube education, and we teach self-publishing. All right. So they are all under tech. So you will learn a lot from this. Okay. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Does it really help you or you need something extra? Let me hear you in the comment section. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will know that this content is valuable and recommend it to more people. If we don't do that, there's no how the system knows that it's a valuable content, okay? So please hit the like button, okay? To watch more on helpful tips on how to grow on YouTube, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.